So he's gonna transfer that to Cadillac. So that's the front video, and then put step on the brake and put on the reverse real quick. Right there. Oh, we need to remove this thing right here. This piece right there. You have to play with it. Today we got a CTS 4 2010. We are going to remove the stereos and then put the Tesla screen on here. So first of all, you're going to need some door trim remover tools. So door trim remover tool, you can start off like right there. It's feel like it's gonna break, but you got to be careful. Move it a little bit at a time, maybe another 5 inch, and move on, and then lift it up like this, because you don't want to pull it straight out. You want to lift it, push it down a little bit, lift it like an angle 45-degree up. Here we're gonna go, we're gonna remove this screen right here by taking a 7mm over there. I'm not sure how it's gonna really work, but that's what I'm gonna do first. That's all I can see. That's good to remove. I'm using a T8 to remove this. Right there, it's a T8. Time right there, I'm gonna try to remove this plastic off because I might need this to be able to hold something. So I'm gonna take a flathead and pry this little tab out and then push it out. I don't know what else holding it, but that's what I'm be doing. Alright, while I was prying, I looked at this two piece right there. It's a two little Phillips. I don't know what number that is. It's a small little Phillips, so it's got to be the little one. It's not number 2, that's for sure. So I got everything out. I'm gonna snap the T6 back in there, T8 back inside of this hole. There's 2 holes right here. By prying out with the flathead, preferably a long flathead might be working out. One side out. Try to lift it up a little bit while you can, so it won't. Right there, it's pretty easy. So now I'm gonna flip this upside down, just like the same way as that one right here. This is made by Koenig Korean Navy. That's a brand name. So as you can look from here to here, you know this is on the left side, or left on my side, but so I'm trying to see if it fit this way. If I might have to make it work. Maybe I have to do it because right here kind of blocking it, that piece. See, you don't need that piece too. I don't think if you don't put that, it might not work right. Let me see if I can take it off and make it. Yeah, I did the last one. It was almost the same brand and I saw it. It might work this way. If not, I can just somehow I gotta snap it in right there, this piece. I might have to, I don't want to bend it too hard, it'll break, but let's try that. Oh, I might have to break this little pin right there. Might work that way. So it does go, except this piece had to get in that. Well, I guess it works. Push that to that one side. It's got a clip. Let's see what that seems to be good. You gotta get that to stay. Let me see how it looks. Yeah, you need that piece to make it look right, because if you took that piece out, it won't look right. So you have to get that in. That one side seemed to be okay, but this side's not wants to work with me. Gotta get it in. There you go. I heard some clip. Once you heard the clip, the meaning it's in. Just like everything else. Now, same thing as over here. I'm not gonna video that. It's gonna be the same. I don't want the video too long. Now I'm gonna remove this plug, this cigarette lighter plug, by removing this 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe it's a T15. Nope, it's not T15, so it's T10 or something. If you have a T8 or T9, that'd be working out right there. It's number 3. So T9, T8. So I got all 4 of them out. I'm gonna fit it right there. Yeah, that definitely ain't right. So fit it right in there. Let that go in first. I don't know why it's got that clip right there. That clip might go in there first. Yep, that clip go in there first to fit. Yep. So screw it back in. To take all this, transfer this clip right there using a little flathead. Push it in on the top right there, and kind of lift it up. And watch where you, like just he did. Watch where everything's at. You're gonna lose it. So be careful with that. When you pop it out, watch your eye, wear glass if you have to. Don't hurt yourself. And when you stick it back in, make sure this is outside right there. And I need 2 more to go. Actually 4 more to go, because I got 2 big ones over here, which is this piece right there. This is a little bit tricky, so be careful. Don't hurt yourself. I'm gonna start hooking up the wire. I'm gonna hook up the CAN bus wire to the middle one right there. It's clipped on. It should match right there. Push it in. Make sure it's snapped. I'm gonna hook up the backup camera in, because we're gonna run the backup camera to the back. We're gonna hook up the what the hell this is? That ain't right. Oh, this one will go down here. That's for the control for the heat and stuff like that, using this CAN bus. And then you're gonna hook up the power wire, the plug, the main plug. This is the fan. If it's got external piece for the fan, that'd be great. If not, we'll find out. This goes straight to the radio right here. And I got the antenna gonna be plugged up. It's got Wi-Fi piece over here already. GPS. This is a GPS, the square one GPS. And then the other one is for the 4G network. Alright, I plug everything in. I basically plug the red wire right there will go in over here, because this thing will control the fan when it turn on. And I got the mic hooked up from there, down there, all the way down here. And then I also run a few USB right there, the orange, the blue down there, so they can connect their phones if they needed to. And then there's also like a antenna piece for the phone chips. I push it down there also. It's one of these right there. You can literally put the chip in there, install the chip right there. If you're looking at it right there, if I pull it out, but it's in there. Some little chip, like a phone chip basically. I'm gonna push it out there. This is gonna be plugged in there. I hook up the subwoofer right here. That green is for subwoofer. I did use the Y connector adapter. And then this is the camera. That red wire, we're gonna hook it up to this pink right here. There's a pink wire right next to the red and the brown right here. And everything's plugged in, ready to be plugged. And then this camera is gonna be plugged onto here, the yellow RCA jack. And let's do it. I don't know if I mentioned about right there. I kind of fit this thing in right about right there. And then I screw using a drywall screw, and screw one here and one there. So that way it's gonna stay. As you can see, it stayed right there. After plugging everything, I plugged the main wire. There's one wire that I was worried about, was this whatever pin that is, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 pins. And the factory pin that they came with, it was only maybe 12 pin, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pin. So I was worried, but that's not used, so I'm good. And everything's plugged in. I'm gonna just kind of clean up the wiring a little bit and plug it back in. I also forgot that I need to put a radio plug in right there. The radio plug-in should be the thicker one right there. That's the black one right here. Sometimes I plug on this one. They all seem to work. I don't understand that part. There's a USB piece right here that I don't know where they go, and I'm not gonna try to do anything right there. This is for the USB that they probably have it on the glove compartment. Yep, somewhere right there. I don't know. I'm not gonna try anything. Just basically get this radio to work and have sound, and then we're kind of good to go. This is a finished look, guys. If you're looking at it, basically you can go to YouTube and watch YouTube as we was playing earlier, but I cannot let the sound play, so you can go anywhere. Actually, you could literally go back to my channel as I did earlier, and here's one of my channel that I was playing earlier. So, well, you know,
this is what he needs.
You can put this on right here. See that? Yep, that one. And yeah, it's really great. We hook it up to one of his Wi-Fi. He's paying about $20 a month right there. So this is perfect. All right, so basically I was looking for the code earlier. I couldn't find the code. I only saw that the WhatsApp thing for the tech support. They have a 12-hour thing you had to wait, but this is the code. It's 3368123456. I tried 1234, didn't work. I tried 888, but it didn't work for me. So that 3368 is the password if you have any problem. So I'm trying to change this Celsius to Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna check and see which one it is. I'm not gonna video until I found how to do it. All right, I'm gonna try to show you how to do this. So you want to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You want to click on setting, and you want to put 3368 confirm. You want to go original car agreement. I don't know, I was going everything, but I didn't see that part. So you click on that part. You want to take it down all the way to the bottom. You'll see Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you want to change that to Fahrenheit. And this will change the Fahrenheit when you start the car or reset it. Oh shit.
Where's my battery?
Battery's dead.
Everything
Everything changed.
Yeah.
So this one you can change to. You gotta go
How you
to.
change that?
So now it changed to Fahrenheit already. So.
Go to the front page of the pictures. You know how the apps on the
Oh,
screen.
I didn't even turn it on.
You see the apps on the screen? Go to the front, and then there's a whole bunch of pictures.
I think I might have to start the car. Oh, I need. Can you change that thing to a jump start right there?
You know, see?
Man, he's done.